Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we'll learn how to use the verb phrase. Would have. Definition of would have plus V3. The structure would have plus past participle, V3, is used to describe hypothetical or unreal past situations that did not actually happen but are being discussed or imagined in the present moment. It is often used to express past possibilities, assumptions, regrets, or alternate outcomes. Let's understand this better with some examples. He would have reached home by now. The children would have returned from school. My brother would have gone to college. The cobbler would have fixed the shoes. She would have completed her work. The shop would have closed by now. He would have read my message. The bus would have left by now. The guests would have arrived. The water would have boiled. She would have put her book somewhere. He would have learned the truth. Dad would have come from the office. She would have changed her password. The vegetable vendor would have arrived. The teacher would have announced the exam date. He would have bought a new house. The door would have remained open. She would have changed her decision. He would have understood his mistake. The children would have fallen asleep. The bank would have closed. He would have spent all the money. Mother would have prepared the food. There is no use waiting here. He would have left. The rain would have stopped. The children would have turned on the TV as soon as they woke up. Would they have slept by now? Would she have paid the bill? Where would she have kept the car keys? Would he have reached home by now? How would she have managed the situation alone? How would he have completed the task without help? He was in a hurry. What would have happened? What thing would have forced her to change her decision? As always, she would have left her phone at home. Thanks for watching.